driver's seat. He lit up a choke. He called cigarettes a choke. Back in the day, the arm in your head, smoke.
What the f*** are you doing? Are you serious?
Hanging from the corner of his mouth. He took my grades out of that yellow manila envelope, which to this day, manila envelopes trigger.
Pull over! Pull over!
If y'all know,
Pull over! Yo, Jesus. Oh shit. On the left-hand side, you're going to see Officer Clark driving his police SUV. There he is. Now, Sergeant Miller, upon examining this video, told me that he felt that I was probably speeding, considering the rate of distance that was being closed as I got closer to him before this incident. But if you look at this, he's going a considerable amount of speed himself. And he also said that I was in his blind spot when he decided to merge improperly into my lane. So here you're going to see a white sedan up ahead of him that's going to want to turn left against traffic to the River Oak Apartments. Now watch, there's a good 4 seconds here before he moves. So he should have seen me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's actually 5. Well, look at that. And that little shake is me going into the curb, noticing that he was going into my lane. So I wait, I make sure that I'm clear, I go ahead and I take a U-turn, and I head on over there to talk to Officer Clark about his behavior, who he claimed he never heard me, he never saw me. Now, Sergeant Miller has gone on to say that Officer Clark is not responsible for the actions of my decision to go into the curb, that I am liable for those damages myself, and that KPD will not be helping me in the repairs of my vehicle. He also lectured me again that he thought I was going too fast, which is complete baloney. But hey, I'd love to know what you guys think. Let me know. let's record that. World Star!
I never seen him smoke. That person is crazy.
Yeah.
What the?
Did you almost die?
Yeah.